Hello and welcome to the explainer of supplier audit process. What's the definition? It's on-site verification that a vendor meets industry or customer requirements, focusing on quality systems, specific processes, or products. What's the process? Step 1, planning. Everything starts with audit scope and checklists determination. Step 2, agreement. After that, the audit need is communicated, agenda and date event is agreed upon with the supplier. Step 3, assessment. Now, self-assessment is made and related documentation is reviewed. Step 4, execution. It's time for the on-site audit, starting with an opening meeting. Next, theoretical and practical checks are made, including interviewing auditees, collecting data, and experiencing real-life jobs. It ends with a closing meeting, where outcomes and observations are shared. Step 5, reporting. The official report is issued, covering final scores, findings, and improvement recommendations. If gaps occurred, the supplier's corrective actions are requested. Step 6, follow-up. It's an evaluation of corrective action effectiveness. Step 7, closing. Finally, the audit is closed and records are archived. Thank you for watching. Get more at www.suppliersplatform.com.